Hi, welcome to week 16, assignment 1. This week we are going to be using a template. A template is a document that already has different settings and different uses already on it, so you don't have to create everything from scratch. And there are a lot of templates within the program, and there's templates on the internet that you can use, but for this week we're just going to use one of the ones that are in the software. If you are using the downloaded version of Word, you may use any flyer template. So what you need to do is you need to go to your SSO, go to Office 365, and then over here we're going to go to Word. Now, this is where we usually just say new blank document. But what I need you to do is go over here to where it says more templates. If for some reason this is not here, there's something here called show templates. Hide templates, show templates. So you may need to make sure that that says hide templates so you can see them. And we're going to click on more templates. And as you can see, you can have a brochure, you can have a cover letter, a calendar, labels, resume, invoice. So they have a whole bunch of them. There's also more that you can do online. That's what I was talking about, but we're going to do that next week. But for this week, so what I want you to do is I want you to go down here to where it says Event Flyer Green and click on it. And what we're making a flyer on is COVID safety rules. So I'm going to go ahead here and I'm going to type in COVID safety. We'll call it tips, not rules. All right, and it's kind of big and it's on 2 lines, so I'm going to make it smaller, maybe like 48, and then I'm going to center it so that it's right in the middle of my flyer. Then I want to take and I'm going to put a picture in. Well, this picture doesn't work, but if I right click on the picture, it says change picture. And then you should get a box that comes up over here, and we're going to go in the search bar and you put in whatever you are going to talk about. Is it social distancing, washing your hands, wearing a mask? So I'm just going to put in social distancing, and then there will be pictures that come up. Lots and lots of different pictures. Everybody's is a little bit different. So you can choose whichever one you are. Since this picture is wider than it is tall, right? So this is much wider this way. It's bigger this way than it is this way. Make sure when you're looking at this that you find a picture that does that. Don't get one that's going more up and down because it won't fit as well. Okay, so I'm going to change the picture, and if I click on it, I can make it a little bigger. I'm going to go ahead and take out the caption of who did it, which is fine. That's not the purpose of this assignment. All right, and then we're going to, this is where you're going to just put in ways to stay safe during COVID. Okay, and then I want you to actually write whatever, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like a paragraph that tells me something about staying safe, whatever your picture is. Okay, then what we're going to do is we're going to delete the venue name and such, because we're not doing it as a flyer, but I do want to insert a picture there, and we're going to use Bing Pictures, and let's say we will put in Alright, and so I want to put in something that's not quite as abstract as the first picture that I did. There we go. I like Star Wars. I think it's a good thing for us to do. Everybody knows at least what Star Wars is. And it's taken a while. Not sure why. There we go. Alright, same thing. This time, do you see how it came up and it said picture, and we're going to have picture styles. So I'm going to make it, and then I'm going to go over here to home, and I'm going to center it. So you have to have 2 pictures, you have to have a paragraph, and then in event date and time, I want you to put Dr. Mona Jane Middle School Cares. Alright, and then we're going to center that one. And I want to change the color so that it stands out a little bit. If you want to change the color of either one of these, that's fine. You need to change the color of at least one of them for me. So when it is all done, you have to have a title, you have to have a subtitle, you have to write text or go and find it on the internet. You have to put Dr. Mona Jane Middle School Cares, and I need one of the 3 titles to have the color changed, and then I need another picture that has some kind of style on it, some kind of frame. Okay, and when you are done, you can save it and turn it in to assignment. Oh, sorry, wrong one. To assignment week 16, assignment 1. As always, if you have any questions, problems, please let me know and I will get back to you as soon as possible. If not, have a wonderful day, week, and I hope to see you soon.